Hi, my name is Ken Gold, Technical Sales Manager at Cavallo. Producing a quick video here to show the payment splitting functionality on an order for both payments and authorizations. First of all, I'm going to start on an order where there's an in-stock item and a back-ordered item shown in red. I'm going to release this order to trigger the split to occur and show what happens with that payment. So first of all, I'll go down to the payment line and just trigger the payment plugin to run. I'll do a new charge through PayFabric. I've got a stored card on file for this customer, so I'll go ahead and use that one. And it's going to come back with the approval and the payment logged against this order. So it's now showing payment of 20 on the total of 20. To foreshadow what's going to happen here really with the result of the split, there's $10 on each line. So they're equal value, so we'll see on the splits $10 to each of the split documents. It's going to ask me to split based on the back order quantities that I have in there. I'll accept that. And it moves through my workflow and my queues. It's triggering a couple different things, but ultimately it moved to the next queues called fulfill. The orders that it created, I happen to know the number was the 3571.1 and .2. So we'll open those both up in sequence here quick, and then I'll show you the results. So on the .1, this is the in-stock item. The total is 10. If I hover over this, you can see that the total captured amount was 20, but the doc captured amount is 10. So the payment amount did split in half per the ratio of the two line items for 10 each. Here's the other one, the other split for the back-ordered item, and it also got 10 on there as well. If you drill into that, you can see that the transaction, it's the same $20 transaction amount. It's just the amount per document was split to 10 each. So I'll close those documents quickly. I've got another example teed up here where there's the same two items, $10 on each. The authorized amount was actually in at 22. You can script that so that you can over authorize to say perhaps a shipping amount needs to be accounted for, or perhaps tax hasn't been calculated, so we're going to over authorize by a certain amount so that when we charge tax we can take that capture against the authorization. So it's authorized for 22, the doc total is 20. It's the same scenario, an in-stock and a back-ordered item, so I'm going to release. It's going to tell me about splitting on the back orders. I'll take that split. And this document 3569 moved through the same sequence as the last one. And just for ease, I'll grab it from the customer card, 3569.1 and 3569.2. So in this case, there's the 10 is written to the total line. And you've got the doc authorized amount is 10 here. And on the back-ordered one, it'll have the authorized amount as 10 there as well. So you've still got the authorization overall for 22. The situation might be that you want to bring these back together and invoice them as one, so you could bring them back through document combiner and then charge that full amount. But in this case, I've got the authorization for the full amount, but then split per document as needed here as well. So that's a quick run through of the payment splitting capability on both a payment and an authorization using PayFabric in SalesPad. Thanks.